Oh, they still on, some of these on 3. Feel like my wave's trying to come back, y'all. Hold on.
People always do that.
I done cut my hair down some, man. It started looking too nappy. I said, shit. I'm coming out the house, people looking at me like I ain't combed my hair. Let me cut this down some.
Where he said you have to prove it.
I'm glad I'm out here, internet working pretty good. We able to get this stream off. Shout out to El Mundo Ayala with Crawler Innovations, supplying all the RC cars out here with these tire phones. They say it's working. They say it's working.
If you drive without its phones, you don't win.
Oh, okay. If you ain't got no phones, you last place. And don't worry, the other people up here, they don't mind.
I know.
They trying to get first anyway. You'll just be in the way if you got some. Oh, what you was trying to do? Get the tires hot?
It's not hot, but you got money.
Knock all the mud off and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, here he come. Green light come. Okay, he need a break. Let him get his helmet on. Make sure he got everything. Okay, yeah. Whoop the whoop, whoop the whoop. Then you're gonna have to drive up through here. Yeah. Like this is first time seeing these rocks. Yeah, he know the whoop the whoop. Tell Eddie Kenny says awesome stuff he's doing. Who is Eddie Kenny? Love this, Eddie.
You ready?
Yeah. All right.
You ready? On me or y'all?
On us.
Green.
I'm colorblind.
We're going pro tree.
Huh?
We're going pro tree.
It ain't working, man.
Pro tree ain't working. All right, I'm just gonna say it. Let's go.
Okay, here we go, y'all. Oh! Oh, he can recover that. Oh, he recovered that. That was player. Oh. Oh, he did that. Oh, man, he did that. That was nice. As he goes up the hill with a timely manner. He need a boost.
Yeah.
One back up ain't hurt nobody. Come on, baby.
Come on. All right. Fine.
Come on, baby. It ain't trying to grip. Oh, ooh. Oh, he doing it. There you go. Come on, baby.
Come on.
What kind of motor is this?
Give me reverse. You didn't even get a reverse. Come on. Okay, reverse.
Come on, baby. Missed that. Oh, he doing good, y'all. Uh-oh. I ain't no LS, y'all. That's one of them Coyote motors. Making all that noise. You know them Coyote motors with no Cali converters.
That's punishment for being a bad driver. It's a long story, but...
Oh! Oh, he doing good, y'all. Man, he doing good with that Coyote motor. Where the... Right here. Yeah, man, that's a Coyote motor with no Cali converters with a standard shift transmission.
How we doing on time?
Still got 2 minutes. He doing his thing, y'all. Ooh! Okay. Somebody done stole his Cali converters, y'all, off his mini Ford Raptor with the 5.0 Coyote motor.
How bad was that?
I think he did pretty good.
Hey,
What
I feel
he
like I used to drive years ago.
what he get, a 13?
No, he actually got a negative 16.
Negative 16. Now that's it there. You doing good, man.
We're not driving in almost 3 years. We're getting a little better.
Oh, that's 3 years? Man, you alright, man.
Some vacation time.
Okay. Was your vacation pretty good?
No, we got stuck in hurricanes in South Louisiana.
Oh, man, you got to get out of there, man. That's where little Boosie was at, man. He left.
You had to leave.
Yeah, little Boosie, he said he can't do Louisiana no more.
It can be rough.
Yeah. You don't mind, though? You don't mind it being rough in Louisiana?
The area that we live is kind of in between where the storms usually hit.
Yeah.
So if you, it's kind of just winning the odds, I guess.
Oh, okay. Okay. You from over there?
No, I'm from West Texas originally.
Okay.
I'm not used to all
Well,
that.
Pinky at?
Who's
Okay.
up?
Pinky up here on round 3 on the 3rd obstacle course. We're gonna go see what she working with. Let's see what she working with. She got a regular motor.
Oh, come on, man.
What's
Still got game.
Oh, well, yeah, you know, there's that, you know.
Okay, we got Pinky with the what we got over there? Small block. That a small block? What's one of them small block? Now all these electric power. Anybody ever tried to bring a gas powered? Ain't nobody. Nah, that's too dangerous, I think, for gas. Okay. She's getting this.